many simple. Not many complication here. Wow, look at this. Fat of this. Look at this. It's very good. And also many silly. And all of them are just text. Wow. I'm gonna do it also. In this video, I'm going to show you something that you've asked for me many times in the last couple of months. We got finally for free and available to everyone PinTwist, the very popular tool that Jose Quiles from the channel Iscalelabs created a couple of months ago, and now it's available for everyone in the Chrome store. I will show you how I use this tool every day to find very interesting and profitable niches to upload to my Merch on Demand account. Okay, stay with me, and at the end of the video I will show you how you can get this tool now for free, and another tool that I use with this tool to find the niches and validate them very easy and fast. Okay, let me show you how I use the tool. First, I go to PinTwist, and let's say I want to find funny t-shirt, the most used keyword search. And here the Chrome extension is already loaded. It has a lot of buttons, but let me show you how I use it. Okay, I will show you the exact way I found niches every day. Here I'm gonna sort by shades. This is gonna put all the t-shirts or designs or memes or whatever that have most shade at the top. Okay, here I'm gonna put sort. This is the amount of pages it fetches and sorts. For this I'm gonna put 20, and then I'm gonna put sort pins. Now it's gonna sort all the pins that include this keyword, funny t-shirt, by shapes, meaning that all the t-shirt with a lot of shapes or the most shape will appear up in the screen. Okay, that way it's very easy to decide if the niche or the meme or the phrase is profitable. Okay, let's wait a minute. This is very fast. The tool is working now. Okay, it's ready. Now the latest version of the tool has this filter that I like and I use every day and make my life very easy. For example, here you have all the data that you can analyze for yourself, but this is the way I use it very fast. Here I put filters, and here I put 30 days. This is sorting by newest. 7 days is not a lot. I like 30 or 90. Let's see, 30 days. Okay, this was uploaded 1 week ago, and I already have 1.9k saves. Okay, see how this works? I've seen it before. Okay, I'm gonna download anyway. Perhaps it's pending now. And here it has a button that makes you download the file very easy and in a specific folder. Okay, we'll see what I mean. I will download this one. This not because it's kind of up to version. No, you have to be very selective because many of these sites are infringing. Okay, I'm gonna put now 90 days. So this, okay, 2 months ago, look at the amount of love says. I'm gonna download this. Also another big part of the government, very funny but the smart. Okay, it's also funny. Okay, and now for the last chance I will put a year. Okay, I don't like this very much. These two were the best for me. Okay, 5 months. No, I've seen that before. This is interesting. This is also interesting. Before I'm gonna download anyway. Okay, let's say that you like, for example, this design. and you pick it. Now you can go in depth for the designs that are related to this design. Okay, now I'm gonna sort again for 20, and let's see what this brings. We see that it is very easy to use and very effective. Okay, next I will show you a very fast way with a tool that you can validate the meshes very fast. You don't have to be all day checking one by one. Okay, this is almost ready. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put my filter now. 30 days first, 1 week, 3K. Okay, 60. 6 days. Wow. No, this is controversial. 6 days. Okay, I'm gonna put 90 days now. No controversial. Maybe like controversial. Let's put 1 year. We got this already. Okay, it's interesting 1 year ago, but this is also interesting. Okay, let's see the next step. Now I'm gonna go to my downloads and I will find the PinTwist folder. Okay, and here are all my selected pins that I just downloaded. And now I'm gonna show you a tool that I've used before, which is PODScan Pro. This is the new designs, and I cast a couple of updates. Okay, this is very easy to use. I drop all my designs here, the ones I just downloaded. Like here, you have to provide an API key. In this case, you can use Google Gemini, OpenAI, and PropicCloud. In this case, I'm using PropicCloud. Like here, you can select the model. In this case, I'm gonna use the cheapest. That is Claude IQ 4.5, and you will see what the tool does. It's very fast. Okay, now I have all my keywords and I can check them each one by one on Amazon, on Etsy, etc., even on Pinterest. Here you can select how many words it will be included in the long tail keywords. I like to use 8 for the full phrase, but you can use 3. You see, I like to use 8. Let's see. Sorry I'm late and missed the bus. I saw a unicorn. It's in Amazon. A total of 17 results. That's very low. Let's see a DSR. It's not potato plant, total smart. Let's see this one. 85 results. Not that interesting. Let's see this one. Everything I like. I like 900 years ago. Wow, results. 35 results. Okay. No competition, but not good BSR. And not bad big part of the government. 85. Okay, this could be interesting, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm too sober for this. 63 results. Oh, Coca-Cola 99. Okay, this is good, but not as there. Nobody knows someone else as out the listings. But look at the DSR. This is good. Perhaps you can try it. I will download this. Perhaps you can try it with a graph or something different, because all the book sellers are just text. Okay. Index. This is funny. How many results are this? 291. Okay. DSR is not that quick. Continue. You see how this is easy? The other way is to one by one write right here the name, click search, and it's very tedious. Okay. This way is very fast. Okay, coming at 90, but very low. Wow, it is interesting. 90th competition. Look at the DSR. Okay, this I'm gonna do. We're already on the 2, unemployed and beautiful. You see. Okay, coming at 260. Okay, this is super. BSR is not low. See how this works? And just like less than 10 minutes, we have 3 niches. And 3 niches that we all are selling and cap low competition. That's the point. Okay, this is interesting, but competition is very tight. Continue. Click if you want me. The petition Sultan. Let's see. Okay, EBSR is very good. Wow, and then thanks I'm mixing this famous word and just text. I don't know. I like it a lot. Look at this. 10 days ago. Look at the BSR. Wow. This I'm gonna do. Very good niches we found, like 4 already. I made you at the bottom. How many sucks? Almost a Sultan. It's interesting. Coming in shot a Sultan. Wow, look at the BSR. This. I know it's a Sultan listings. That is like a kind of the limit. But the BSR is so good. I don't know it. It's interesting. And there are many ways you can differentiate this, sir. I like it. I'm gonna download it. This I like better in the raccoon. But yeah, 3 more to go. How many is simple? Not many complication here. Wow, look at this. Fat of this. Look at this. It's very good. And also many silly. And all of them are just text. Wow. I'm gonna do it also. I'm giving away all my niches and my secrets. Okay, see this one. Time 34. Low BSR. See. Now competition is slow, but the SR is not that awesome. The last one. Competition. It's not searching the right keyword. By the way, this tool, Smart Research, is also for free in the Chrome extension. I made a previous video on how to use it like a couple weeks ago. Go search it. Smart Research. Very good tool. Okay? So let's see now, before we end, in just like 10 minutes or a little more, let me think, we have 5 potentially good niches that have low BSR and low competition. Okay? PinTwist will be in the description, and also you can find it in the Chrome web store. It's for free. It was created by Jose Quiles, my friend, and it's very useful tool. Go and install it right now. Also, PODScan Pro will be available for all my Skool members on my niche please Skool Academy that we already have 56 members. I'm dropping every day trends, niches, Chrome extensions, apps, comment from Chaching Queen, Merch Money Mike, tips and trees, and Chase Scant. I guess brought this one today. Look at this. All this information you can make designs, prepare for next dates, but I can share it with you, I think, for the group. So this tool with all the other tools will be available in the Skool community for free for the members, but also you can get it here if you don't want to join the Skool and buy it, pay one time, and you can get the PODScan Pro. Okay, I rather we go to the Skool, but if you prefer to stay away from Skool and get the tool, this is the way on Gumroad. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you can join a Skool. If not, just stay in the channel and go and get PinTwist, PODScan Pro, and go and get some money in merch on demand. Hope you like this new video. Leave your comment on the script on below. I read them all. I try to answer them all. And okay, see you in the next one. Bye.